In this video, I will share 3 hidden features of LinkedIn that you might miss. All the tips will help you to increase your networking and a better presence for the company page. Let's get started now. The first tip is utilizing the full potential of hashtags. Under the homepage of your LinkedIn page, scroll down to the left and you can set up to 3 follow hashtags. The hidden gem is once you click the Discover More, it's a research tool for LinkedIn. This page will show the recommended pages for you based on your profile. When you scroll down to the bottom, it can show the recommended person to follow based on the hashtag you set. From here, you can click the influencer of the hashtag you choose. Feel free to click into their activity to have a look for their previous posts or content, so you have an idea what to focus based on their strategies. Besides, another feature that I discovered is once you click the hashtags, you can click the 3 dots, then it will appear this Discover New Hashtag. Now it becomes the hashtag research tool for LinkedIn. So you can target to use the correct hashtag for your post or follow the hashtag according to your professions. It's important not to use hashtags that are really niche with no followers. You're still using the same template of a set of hashtags across all your company social media accounts. I think it's the time to check the popularity for each platform. The second tool is the trending articles feature from the company page. In short, this is the content research tool built in from LinkedIn. You can start to go wide and choose all LinkedIn members, then choose one of the filters to see the trending posts that have been shared for the last 15 days. Personally, I think once you choose the location of the country, let's say Malaysia, it can show the popular posts or news within the region. This filter is great when you want to understand more about the foreign country to know what's trending there. If you're familiar with some of the content research tools, it's a bit like BuzzSumo, where you can discover the popular content based on your query. Although the data is limited, I find it quite refreshing as I always find something new for me, especially for different verticals than my current job. Yeah, remember to watch my other videos talking about Google Trend. It's another free research tool for content. The third tool is LinkedIn Story. Yeah, everyone just copy each other, and finally LinkedIn has their stories feature as well. Currently, you can only post a story from the LinkedIn mobile app. Most of the marketers will just recycle the content from Insta Story to publish or repurpose into LinkedIn Stories. For personal branding, I think the story is a great tool to showcase your identity, expertise, and marketing. While it's still considered young and not much feature is compared to Insta Stories, I suggest give it a try. The longest duration for one video per story is 20 seconds, which is longer than the 15 seconds of Insta Story. Feel free to use the stickers, mention, and insert some text to grow more followers. By the way, Twitter and YouTube also have their stories as well, so it's time to really pay attention to capture more eyes to your brand. Okay, that's all the tips to unlock the feature of LinkedIn. Thanks for watching and remember to like this video. See you in the next video.